Hi everybody, good morning. Yesterday I posted a video, a really impromptu video of cleaning the hood of my mom's car. And I had said that I was going to use the Envirocloth in the bathroom along with the window cloth so you could see how easily it cleans glass without leaving streaks, without having to use Windex or anything like that. The problem is my bathroom mirrors are really pretty clean. And despite having dogs who like to press their nose against the glass doors, like on the front door, the storm doors, things like that, they're pretty clean too. To be honest, Norwex is the reason why, and I'll explain that in a minute. But, so I decided I'm going to clean my car windows because they have doggy nose smudges all over them, and then rain spots from recent rains and things like that. So I am going to use the Envirocloth first, and then I'll use the window cloth just for a shine. I don't, unfortunately, own Windex anymore, so I can't compare the two for you, but you all know what Windex does anyway. So here in just a second, I will flip this around and show you how easy this is to clean with just water and show you what a difference it makes. Okay, I think you can see really well how dirty those are. So, we've got my Norwex cloth in just a bucket of water. Just a little fun fact here. A Norwex cloth will hold 7 times its weight in water. There was one time, and I do have a video somewhere, I actually poked a hole in a 32 ounce, most of this is on the outside, a 32 ounce drink in my car. And one Norwex cloth do the inside first, literally soaked up all of it. All I had to do was go back and rinse it out. I did rinse it out, obviously, to clean off the sticky. So that's the inside. So, you can already see reflection, what a huge difference it makes. And I'm just going to take the window cloth and go back over it. Window cloth's actually dry, just to kind of shine it up. Now, what's really cool, not one fingerprint, not one. And the reason for that is I didn't use any chemicals. There's nothing on the window for anything to stick to. No residue left or anything like that. It's kind of hard to beat.